Hello everyone, I am Lina of RiFRA TV. I am in Poland, in Warsaw, for new opening RiFRA Space. Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm fine, great. The weather is great.
Thank you. So, what is your philosophy, design philosophy that distinguishes your studio?
So in my works, I always try to combine different type of materials, different type of structures, textures, colors, and also forms, because proportions are like the most important thing for me in my projects. I like eclectic style, so I always try to combine furnitures and different pieces from different decades, not only like the new things, the newest pieces, but also furnitures and art from the past.
Different, it's important.
Yes, it's important.
Pawel, how do you meet RiFRA?
So I met RiFRA while I was making one of my biggest interior projects. It was not so far from here, this place, because it's like 30 minutes. It was based by the river, and we wanted a custom-made, made-to-measure kitchen. But also very important for us was to inner space to be as much practical as can be. And in RiFRA we found many different options, many systems that allows us to store different things, not only in drawers but also in a cupboard.
Okay.
So that was very useful to make this kitchen not only look good but also to be very practical.
Okay. Now, can you talk about your main project?
I guess my main project was the interiors of a dune house, and this is the project that you showed recently, like a few weeks ago, I guess. And it's an interior of a house by a riverbank. It's like totally open for nature, and it's like very spacious and with lots of glass walls that are removable, and you can like feel that you are inside and also outside the project. So I guess this is the main project of my studio. And of course we have a RiFRA kitchen in this project, because we wanted to use natural materials, natural veneers, natural marble, and with RiFRA we could choose from wherever marble we wanted. And in this case we used very extravagant black and white panda marble. It's like very nice. Of course we love the details in a fly line by RiFRA.
Yeah.
It's like very sublime, very delicate, and yeah, we were like, it was the love of our sight in this kitchen.
So, have you plans for the future?
Yes, of course. I'm working on lots of smaller projects now, some bigger. Mostly they are like private apartments and private houses, but I hope that maybe in the near future I will be able to do some boutique hotel or something like this.
You have a social media website for finding your project?
Yes, social medias are quite important for me, because in this way I find most of my clients, because I can have like the really close connections with them via social media. And my site is Pawel Jurkiewicz Studio, and you can find it there. Every project, inspirations, my everyday works.
Okay, thank you so much, Pawel, for your presence. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
RiFRA, Kitchens and Beds, direct from Milano.